Yeah.
Afraid.
No, I didn't. He's terrified of it.
He's like,
It's just a piece of string, Arnie. Look at him. He ran away. For a little dweeb. Hey, Jake.
Yeah?
Do something totally random that no one will expect.
I'm cooking.
First thing that comes to your mind. Just do it. Just. Okay. Well, what's in your mind right now?
Yeah, doesn't fit. Doesn't work.
That was interesting. The day in the life of Jacob. Oh jeez. Don't do this at home. Yeah, that deserves a round of applause. Okay, bye.
Fun of Y-O-U.
Yeah, about that.